Alrighty, well this one's certainly recognisable, even though I've never seen any of the films.
Yeah.
Not one single one.
This is one car you drive and you get a lot of attention.
Absolutely, yeah, I bet.
Yeah.
Oh,
so we got the
one little trip on that.
Yeah.
So this is for anybody the uninitiated. This is
yeah, the GT500. This one's a bit of a updated version of the one in the movie.
Right.
It's got a bit of
Do we not mention it?
No, that's
apparently
fine.
Back in the day you could be
yeah.
They'd take you to court for making a copy of one of these, the film producers.
Yeah.
Or whatever, but I think they got thrown out, and now you can go and get the kit and everything to make it up. Yeah.
So this one's got big angry motor under the bonnet and all big brakes on it.
What did it start out as? Do you know, the donor?
Not sure exactly what it was. It would have just been, I suppose, a 67 or a 68 standard sort of. Don't know whether it was a GT or not.
Yeah.
But this one's had a bit of modifications. All the guttering shaved off.
Oh right, yes.
All that sort of stuff.
Would that have been the same as in the film one? The one in the film?
It's had other moulds and stuff removed, and it's got. If you have a look underneath, it's got quite big tyres under the back.
Jesus Christ! Look at the size of them. Looks like a Countach.
Probably not a lot of tread left on there, but
yeah, he likes spinning them up.
Yeah.
And he really likes.
Yeah, it's got the Shelby lights and stuff.
Very
cool looking car.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Was it built here or?
I think it was. Yeah, I think it was built here. Wow. Even all the interior and stuff, it's all been done like with the leather interior and all suede dash and aftermarket gauges and.
Yeah, bloody hell.
Yeah. I think the engine, it's got a 418. I think it is Windsor.
Okay. And we're going to listen to it, are we?
Yeah, we will. Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. We might get.
So what's it in for? What are you actually doing?
We've done a few bits and pieces to it, but we've got to fix. There's electric windows and stuff. Working on this side, so we've got the regulators out and we're fixing all that.
Yeah. Yeah.
So.
You see down in there? Yes, just about. Cool. What a beast.
Yeah.
Yeah, I bet she throws a... Sorry, you know what, yes, what engine it is?
I think it's a 418 Windsor.
418?
Yeah, 418.
Right, okay. We'll have a look at it. These bits are off.
Might have to check with Lou how those open. Oh, there's a button in. That's it.
Okay. You don't want to be marking this paint, eh?
No.
What's that, GRP or the whole lot?
Sorry?
This,
it feels like it's fiberglass, yeah.
Wow. All right, mister.
Yeah, it's quite a tough sounding engine.
Yeah, I bet. Let me just turn that. Okay, there we go. Yeah, there we go. A bit of light on the subject. All right. Raceworks. Cool, lovely stuff.
I don't think you get very good fuel economy with this thing.
No, I bet.
But it'd be fun.
Absolutely. Okay, lovely. Is it really necessary?
It's loud, isn't it?
Yeah. It's cracker. All right, mate. Well, there's a few to see undercover in there.
Yeah, there's
We'll
a couple
come back
tucked
another.
away, yeah.
Come back
Later-
another time.
Later down
I
the
see
track,
them.
we might do something with it.
And an ESP. Oh, there's a certain ESP's on its way
Yeah,
back.
that's right.
great.
Yeah, the Monza Red
Yeah.
ESP.
Great stuff. Cheers, mate. Thank you very much
Good
for your
stuff.
time.
No worries at
Catch
all.
you next time.
Thank you.